Hello guys, today we'll see Go installation in Windows. So there are three stages to this. First, go to this URL and download the setup for Go. So we are installing in Windows, so we'll download Go for Windows. If you are on Mac on Linux, you can download other operating system setups. So you can go ahead and do that. For me, I will download it for Windows. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Okay, so this is the first step. Second step is to install the Go setup, right? Okay, so go and click. You will see in the download. So double click on this and just next. Okay, so I have actually installed it, so it will show me like this. But if you haven't installed it, you will see some installation process. You can go ahead and do that. Okay, okay, and the third thing is to check if the Go installation um, is succeeded or not. So just type cmd in the search and go type Go version. It should show some version. Okay, depending on what version you have downloaded, it will show some version, right? If not, then there's some problem with the setup. Either there are two things, path and Go path. So if they are not configured, then it will show like Go is not defined or something like that. So if they are not configured, you can see if they are or they are not by going to edit the system environment variables and go to environment variables and see if the Go path is configured in either of them. It should user variables for HP or system variables. So go there and see if Go path is configured. If not, then just do manually. And for path also, it should show something like this, right? Do these two things and it will work. Okay, cool. Now the third, these three things will, I mean, 99% of time you will be able to succeed in this, succeeding by just doing these things, three three steps. Okay, now let's run some uh, out- basic Go program. Okay, so if you can see that there are three things to Go program. First one is to define which package you want this program to go. Okay, so by default, I mean, what I do is inside the main.go, I use package main. You can use any package if you want, but I use main, right? It works. Second thing is to import the predefined packages that Go provides or that you have done previously and you want to import it in your program. Okay, yeah. Second thing is that. Third is to use main function. It is mandatory to use this function, otherwise the program will not run. Okay, so what happens is in the program it searches for the main function and it executes that function. So yeah, now I'm using fmt just to print hello world in on the console. So okay, so to run this, you should you will run main.go. The main.go is the name of the file that your main function is in. It can be hello.go, it can be anything. Just to be just your main function should be inside that file that you are running, right? Yeah, so just click on that and you will see hello world. Cool, that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video.